Ever find yourself going back and forth between your CAD models and math calculations? All too often, designers and engineers are spending time waiting for each other, and they're switching between hugely disparate tools to validate their designs against requirements. Using PTC Creo, the days of manually linking analytical results and CAD geometries are behind us. PTC Creo allows engineers to pass parameters for validation. Now engineers can understand their designs and validate early in the process, instead of waiting for the design to be completed. Take the example of the KTM RC8 sport bike. We look at the front suspension dimensions, namely wheel radius, steering offset, and rake angle, to make sure that it satisfies the handling requirements. Any variance of the geometry can be quickly calculated and validated. Instead of focusing on a specific part and its dimensions and doing it in isolation from performance requirements, PTC Creo now bakes intelligence into the design. Conversely, if parts or assemblies need to be sized for certain requirements, the analysis feature can be used to drive the PTC Creo model. To make sure that the suspension spring has the appropriate stiffness, we use the analysis feature to calculate the thickness of the wire, diameter of the spring coil, and number of turns. These values can be sent to PTC Creo for automatic updates. Any new changes in requirements can be made in the analysis feature and propagate its way into the PTC Creo part. We can extend the analyses even further. Consider modeling and simulating the way the sport bike behaves when it travels across various road conditions, or picking the optimal damper value that is needed for riding comfort. All these can now be done with the PTC Creo analysis feature, giving engineers a more efficient and effective way to validate their designs.